I know that my sources are telling me that MGM and Amazon have had talks. We do know that MGM has been on the block. It's been open to a sale for a long time. I've heard that MGM has been valued by other companies in the $5 billion range, and now MGM is looking to get between $8 or $9 billion. So that would be a big boost. But what's going on now, Deirdre, is that there is this land grab for content. There's only so much independent content out there, only so many of these arms dealers, if you will, but if you have Sony teaming up with Netflix, you have all these big mergers, there is this rush to figure out where the content's going to be coming from for a place like Amazon, which really wants that content, to really fuel their Amazon Prime Video and not just draw subscribers, but also hold on to them.
Yeah, and it's so surprising to me that Amazon could potentially overpay for such a deal. And Julie, we were talking about this earlier, but it may have to do with one key figure here, Jeff Blackburn, who left the company and is now coming back to manage all the media operations. He's been at Amazon for 20 plus years, seen as a Bezos deputy, a real loss for the company. The fact that he's now coming back, how much do you think that could play into a potential deal, give him more? He was a deal maker, too. Give him more to manage and oversee. But at the same time, does he have the chops to manage such a large media operation?
Well, look, I think Amazon Prime Video is already a very large media operation. They're making one of the most expensive TV shows ever made in a Lord of the Rings TV production in the works right now. We're talking about over $400 million in terms of budget. So this is already a massive operation. And I think the appeal of MGM is that it has this library, over 4,000 films, and also the James Bond franchise. It controls 50% of James Bond. So there is this idea that this could be a crown jewel and help bolster the library, also maybe have some big franchise movies in there. In terms of Jeff Blackburn, I don't think it's a coincidence that he is returning just as these reports are coming out, that these talks are heating up. As to whether or not Amazon overpays, we'll see what they end up paying if this deal indeed does happen. But I think, Deirdre, there's this question of supply and demand. There are only so many of those studios out there, and that, of course, could boost the price for something like an MGM. And I think Blackburn, he must be interested in building and growing what he oversees there at Amazon if he's going to be returning after taking that hiatus for about a year.